Woke upstairs.
Okay, fire's dead.
Can't see shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and hold the courtyard.
I need to reload. Yep, that's us.
Fuck, they're here.
Oh my god, there's a bunch of them.
Coming to help.
Yep, I need you. There's still 2.
Yeah, they fucking gas mask. Ooh, he burned himself!
Nice.
Okay. Fire in the hole! Oh no! My side, my side! Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have C4 in this door jam. I tried to get to it quickly and it didn't work.
Fucking pushovers, man.
Yeah. Stand clear. I'm just gonna blow it back up.
Dude, that gas mask saved my ass.
I didn't have one. I'm grabbing one. I got fucked. This is a pretty good spot. I don't know if they can get out in that balcony. Yeah, stay inside. Blowing us up. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Oh my god! I went to go put on my gas mask and 2 people turned the corner. 2 right there. Jashy, Jashy, he's our washy.
Enemy on Bravo! Enemy on Bravo!
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that's a no-go, dude. I would just tuck back inside. Fuck that.
They're capturing Bravo!
28 seconds.
Fuck.
Oh my
I can't
God.
see where I'm going.
I can't tell if it's you coughing or someone else in the room. Oh my god. Alright,
I'm
15
losing.
seconds. Okay, yeah, don't let him. Oh my god! Dude, holy shit. Steel Team Jash. Pistol, pistol, yes! You. Oh my god, dude, that was so fucking sweet!
Holy shit. Holy shit.
You're good. It's clearing. That means there's no one else in there with you. Just stay alive till that clears, dude. You got it.
Oh my god.
Stalemate.
Oh,
No,
fuck.
someone's here. Someone's here.
The
Someone's
second I
here,
hit
Josh.
reload.
I'm just pumping the fucking air with my fists.
Oh my god.
He's clearing. You got it. Stalemate. No, he'll leave. He'll leave. Just hang out. Just hang out. Make him come to you, dude. Oh my god, my butt. I'm not even playing.
Man, I want to cry.
I want to cry too.
Are you recording this?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Yes. I haven't save replays, so I'm just hitting as I go. What the fuck, dude? I'm so scared. He's not leaving. Do you have any grenades?
Yeah.
Just whip one down range in that room. He's got to be hiding around the corner. Oh, he's on the ground! He's on cell phone! Oh shit! Yes, dude. Yes, that was so fucking cool.
Oh my god.
Well fucking done, dude.
Are you back?
I'm back.
I'm so scared.
That was insane. That was fucking insane.
I'm never leaving this corner. This is the Jash corner.
I'm coming up. I'm
Where are
coming
you?
up. Don't shoot.
Daddy.
Here I come. Here I am. Okay, there's 2 of us. We did it.
Look
You
at all
did
these
it.
bodies.
Well done. Well fucking done. Camping out the steps. Oh, this is bullshit. You know what? I'll just throw fucking C4 up there. Ah! Run! I'm detonating. Stay clear. There we go. Not the Charlie. See if anyone survived that blast up there. I need to grab more C4 anyway. Ah! No fucking way! I'm calling your bluff. Dude, there was a guy on the ground
Yep, I
with
saw
a
him.
Nokia cell phone blowing my ass.
There's a leg. It's just a full leg.
Jesus Christ.
Do you see my screen?
Yes,
Yeah.
I can see the leg. Look at the leg. I'm gonna get a screenshot. Oh my god.
Got him. Got one.
Nice,
at
nice.
least.
Ah, crap!
Left. Fuck me. That didn't get him?
You're done? No.
Yeah, he's right there, dude. He's throwing a molly. Okay, he's down. Well done.
God damn
God
it.
damn
The
it,
thing
dude.
is, when you die, every time it starts to play the diggy diggy diggy
Yeah.
diggy 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 diggy.
Oh my god, left side. Oh my god, he got a shot off quick. There's the music, Josh.
Diggy 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 diggy.
Did you end up picking up the guy who got me?
I got a guy. I don't know if
Okay.
he gets the one that got you.
Godspeed, Yash.
Over here shitting my ass.
We are capturing Alpha.
Oh fuck, he's got a molly. Move. He burned himself. Dude, he fucked it up. He burned himself. Steel team, Jash.
Oh my god. And reload. You know, the second you press reload,
Dude,
it
it's
automatically.
it phones a friend.
Yep.
All the friends are terrorists.
Taking Alpha.
You got it, dude.
No, we don't.
Oh my god.
Oh, you fucking bastard.
Dude, you did good though.
I thought I was outsmarting him. Fuck, the AI beat me. Fuck, I hear footsteps. Oh, that's a frag.
Oh, I got one. Oh, you're dead? Fuck. Here we go. This is it. Fucking two on top of each other? Yeah, there were. Here we go.
We're at Alpha.
Oh my god.
You're somewhere to the right. Fuck. You know, if I press reload.
Yep. You can't touch it. Sends a command in the game.
Phone the terrorist, please. Oh fuck, no.
hey.
Two of them at least.
What are you
Oh, Jesus
Oh,
Christ!
shit.
Fuck! I think I dropped one. It was tough to tell. Oh, to the right, yep. You got him?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can see. Yep, guy to the left. Fuck.
Another one, yeah.
Not sure if I got him. Yeah, he tucked away. Fuck. God damn, he ate that one. I heard him fucking scream. I'm gonna move up and push left. Okay, yeah, you're right. Cool.
Sandwich him.
Yeah.
Fuck. That's not good.
I'm on Alpha.
I'm here. Watch the crossfire. Got one.
I'm blind.
Shit.
Not
Alright, they
fun.
fucking hit me once here.
Flashbang is no joke.
Yeah. Your footsteps. Are you able to watch my right?
I'm coming in. Sorry.
Okay. Guy, you're on the right side of me.
Nice one.
God
Got
damn it.
Alpha.
I'm ducking back to that room.
Fucking appeared out of nowhere.
I backed up a room, dude.
You are
Okay,
Oh,
I'm dead.
Jesus.
I just got blasted.
Oh my god, I didn't reload. No, 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 no.
Diggy 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 diggy.
And they're smoking me. Of course, this guy lands upright. Fuck it, pop in the mask, come jump me. Stalemate clear. Oh, Jesus! Saw another one out there. Dude, what the fuck? I think I'm out of shots. I'm scared. I'm scared. If I hear that door kick open, I'm gonna shit a whole brick. Oh my god. Ah! What the fuck?
Everyone is here.
Clearing. Magged up.
Holy
Let's
shit,
go.
holy
Let's
shit.
go. I hear him. I hear him, Josh.
I'm almost here. Don't worry.
5 seconds. He left. Just defending. They have to enter to see me. Oh my god. Thank you, fucking Christ.
Froggin' Christ.
Froggin. Fuck you! Alright, reloading.
Diggy 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 diggy.
Push another side. Got one. Got two. Another 6. Hey, boy. Drop 2. Drop 2. Come on in. Holy fuck. Okay. Your side was the best as far as coverage.
Yes.
Cool.
The Josh corner. I gotta reload.
You got his legs! Did you see that?
Yep. Oh my god.
Okay. we got
Alright.
Bravo.
If I'm pop on your gas mask right fucking now.
Yep.
I'm watching these stairs. If you can shoot anyone who walks through that door jam, we can do this.
Yes.
One. Let's fucking go.
Diggy 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 diggy.
They're smoking right in front of me.
Oh fuck!
Oh shit!
Avon calling.
Can we count on your vote for Donald Trump? Want to rush him after this? Oh, they left.
Wait, stalemate still.
Got 2. We're secure.
What the fuck?
What? Secured my ass.
A guy just literally pushed me out of the way and ran past me.
Dude, I had that happen to me too. So there was a guy looping around.
What the fuck?
Steel Team Nash. Oh, he's blocking the... Cut him in half. Yeah, cut him in half. Never quite can tell where they're gonna come from.
Yeah.
Like, you hear footsteps, it's like, yes, watch that way. I'm gonna very cautiously grab...
What?
No, I'm not. 5? I'm away. Are you alive?
Yeah.
I don't see shit. What are you talking about?
Are you kidding?
Okay,
I think I dropped them all. There's 1,
oh, here's a pile of bodies. Okay.
2, 3, 4. I might have
Okay,
had 4.
so you already
Okay.
killed them all. Okay.
Yeah.
I couldn't
sorry.
see him behind the pile. Holy shit.
I had killed 3, and there was still at least 1 alive. That's why I jumped back.
Yeah. No, well done. Oh my god, dude. You scared
What?
the shit out of
Oh.
me. No,
Sorry.
It's not your fault. It's just the tension in this game. Like you're like silent. Always see someone rushing over a fucking rock. Ooh. Okay, that's just a helmet. We are at a construction. So fuck.
Okay. Don't know where that came from.
I'm gonna push through the door behind us. See if I can get an angle on him.
Okay.
He's got the advantage right now. Okay, I'm in. One shot at me. There is an upstairs. Got one. Got one. Two.
Dropped one.
Nice. Okay. Burnt his shit.
Reloading.
We are gonna start capping when we enter that room. I want to clear top real quick. Oh, we only have a minute. Fuck.
Alright, moving in.
I'm gonna rush and clear top. Yep. Fucking hit me, piece of shit. Ammo check. I'm low. Gotta reload.
At you?
I'm upstairs. Upstairs. Going prone.
I don't know where to post up. I don't like this.
Hide in a corner somewhere. You're still capping it, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna throw an incendiary.
I almost want to like put on a mask and.
Got Charlie.
Fuck, we gotta defend.
I'm in a bad spot.
See if you can get to a better one.
What a better one
They're
would be.
firing smoke. Get a mask on if you can. C1, C2, C3. 3 down. Yeah, I got this door and your incendiary door. I have an angle on those. Where the fuck is that coming from?
I dropped one.
Okay. Damn it, my sight lines are shit. I can't see the door jams anymore, dude. Shit. Hopefully theirs are shit too.
Fuck, here comes the smoke.
I can't see shit. Does it say we're losing it or anything? Is anyone here?
Still says defend.
Good. Cautiously walking towards the door jam I came up. Okay, no one's come up behind me. Smoke should start clearing. Got my gun ready. For when we both see each other, start firing.
I'm just...
Someone's here, right? Okay.
Dropped him.
Well
Another
done.
one. 2.
Spraying some bullets. Reloading. I will drop down if they get you. I can't see shit right now, though.
Fuck. Fuckity fuck.
Okay, we got it. Oh, I hear
There's
footsteps.
still more.
Cell phone! Cell phone! Holy shit, dude. There's more people screaming. Just
Yes.
post up.
I gotta switch to my pistol.
They want to run, let them run. Dude, what the fuck? Well fucking done down there. That was scary.
Yeah, this corner's not great, but I got just enough cover that it kind of saved my ass.
Yeah. Alright, dumping my gas mask real quick. I'm gonna clear my way down. Shit, 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 fuck, fuck, fuck. Oh my god! Guy down low.
Yep, I see him. Done.
Thank you. Jesus Christ. What the
Holy poo.
fuck? I'm popping off my gas mask and it
Yeah.
just...
The second you hit a key, the computer knows.
Fuck that tin wall. That is concealment, not cover. Fuck! Got one, got one. Got 2. Getting to some cover. Ammo check.
Scared.
Good, I'm good. No one from the right now. I'm gonna peek up by me.
Yep, I'm peeking up also.
And this is a destroy a weapons cache objective.
Coming up to you. I don't want to separate too far.
Yeah. Oh, and just to clarify on the quick load versus quick reload versus normal one, you'll cycle back through your mags if you don't dump the mag. Oh, someone crossed the door jam. Top side, 2 of them. Going prone. Dropped 1.
Fuck.
I do not have cover.
Neither do I.
Get to cover, I'm watching the door jam. Someone threw a molly! Fuck, I'm on fire. No! They fucking burnt me, dude!
You're dead?
Yeah, he hit me with a molly! He was from the right. He threw it over the
I
fucking
killed
wall.
him.
There was another one. It got tossed over the wall to my right.
Dicky, 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 dicky.
You got it, dude.
Do I?
Yes. I believe in Jashy Den. This is gonna be a... Do you have any, You still have incendiary?
Yeah.
That can blow up the weapons cache if you land it on it.
Okay.
At least I think so.
All.
Oh, my butt. Well done, well done. Dude, just whip one over there. If you get it, I'll just respawn instantly. Should blow it up, I believe. Or I'm full of shit. Are you serious? Oh, there we go. I'm back. Well fucking done, dude.
Man, you don't skip a beat.
Hit in my butt.
I'm away. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just scared.
Okay.
I'm a little baby.
This game is intense. It's scary. Like the times when you're just like, I'm in a bad spot, and there's bullets.
There's a
that
guy
fly
right
over.
under me.
Fuck.
Come get
No,
me, you
I'm dead.
motherfuckers.
No.
That's not great.
So
Kill Team
confirm
Nash.
people to my right.
Hey!
Fuck!
Damn it.
Fuckity fuck. Good fucking round, dude.
Yeah, that was a good round. I think I'm gonna end on that one.
Okay. That was fun.
Fuck.
So,
Yeah,
approve?
that's good. That's
Yes?
a fun game. Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
I don't want to tell you incorrect information, so I don't know.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Fuck! I was ready to flash the door. There's a guy laying on the ground at the top of the steps.
Jesus Christ.
Fucking asshole. Got two. Here, let me fucking whip a grenade in here, you fucking
We're
dicks.
taking Charlie.
Frag and clear. Here we go.
How do I get upstairs?
I know there's a staircase.
Okay, I found a
right there.
staircase.
Okay, cool.
Yo, new man.
Okay, home circuit.
Fucking asshole.
I don't want to tell you incorrect information.
Okay.
But from my understanding, it's like an RC car
What?
that has a camera on it, and then that turns it into a level, like so you're driving around your house.
Oh shit.
I'm out. All clear. Fuck, they're persistent.
I got C4 on these steps.
Okay.
But you're driving remote control cars?
I think so.
Is it like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids or something then? Like, you're like, oh, it's a tiny map. Cell phone! Cell phone! Where is he?
I killed him. I killed him.
Okay.
He ran up and just looked me in the face. Like, I literally shot from the hip. I'm down.
God,
Fuck.
dickers.
Barry Dickers. Yeah, there's the asshole. Yeah, fuck him.
Oh, I don't feel good. Cover from heat. Hear you.
Shit, we're losing Charlie.
Oh, that was a bomber too. Well, Mario Kart, I feel like my favorite one still is the one on the 64. And that's not even, oh, it's just the first Mario Kart you played, because I played the Super Nintendo one first.
Right.
That one's just better. And,
Yeah.
Shit, we're losing Charlie.
Nice. Double Dash is by far my favorite, the GameCube one.
Ooh, that one is good. God, dude, the second you hear that tone, you
Yep.
just panic. I get it. I had one chance to hit him, but I missed, and it was just because I'm like snap, and you hear the fucking cell phone ring, and you're like, yep,
Yeah.
this is it.
There's so many fucking places they can come from.
Yeah.
Don't like it.
I took out Bravo.
God damn it, burning those steps.
Yeah.
They're firing mortars. Take cover.
Yeah, get inside, get inside. Mortar's coming.
Stop! Fuck! Is that more of them?
I have a gas mask. I'm gonna put that on in advance. Ah!
Oh fuck.
Oh shit! Hey, here's the mortars. Josh, I have PTSD already.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna. Oh my god, where are they shooting from? Everything's just blowing up.
Yeah.
Someone!
Ah!
Oh, good stop.
I killed him.
Good fucking stop, dude. Alright, yeah, you watch that door jam, I'm watching these stairs.
Yeah.
Okay, it stopped. I'm poking my fucking head down these stairs. Got one. Okay, okay. Yeah, the cars are blowing up in the street and shit. This is insane. No.
Got two.
Nice.
Oh my god. That was butthole clenching.
Yeah. I'm getting this mask off. I can't hear shit.
I can't either.
We're getting the shit mortared out of us. Hiding in the same room, just screaming. Okay.
Alright, Nate, I'm with you. Spawned right behind you. Let's
Okay.
fuck these men.
I do have men's. Oh, here we go. Oh, this guy's split from the pack. What's up, bitch?
Oh, fuck!
Dude, I just kicked the shit out of that guy. You see that?
Yeah.
Here we go. There we go.
Nice.
Do this.
She was probably 100% correct, and I was an annoying little shit, honestly.
Do you remember why you got a detention?
Oh, it was a bullshit reason. She had this paint that smelled like fish, and I went, ugh, and she's like, that's immature, that's not how we deal with it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what you got a detention for?
Yes, my first ever detention was for going, ugh.
It's something that smelled bad.
Yes.
That's ridiculous. It's not
Thanks.
like someone brought it in for show and tell and they were like, you were heckling anyone, right?
No.
Dude, you just fucked him up! Yeet!
It was her paint. This is just a lot of team damage.
Built a little extra things to protect you from the sides.
Nice.
I love that this game has little things, like there's a whole little toolkit thing that most people don't even use at all. But
Yeah.
you can use it and it's pretty well thought out. This fucking guy on the catapult, dude.
We make our stand! Children, to
Nah. Dude, fucking Warhammer fucks ass. Why did I ever stop using this?
Cat. Alright, I'm going a projectile class. Fuck this.
Dude, I am fucking ass with the bear trap and Warhammer.
Yeah.
They just keep stepping in my bear traps and I run over and headshot them once with it, with the in its alternate mode where like the spike's facing outward. It's amazing. Coming for revenge. You're trying to neutralize the point. Not working. Good God. Fucking streak here.
Fuck me in the gun, Jesus.
Oh no.
Nate, I'm 0-5. I can't get anything going.
I'm Owen Wilson.
Wow. The Final Fantasy game.
Round 2. Fight!
Hadouken! 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 Strike! Hadouken!
Final round.